This is Laura GB, and in this video we're going to look at recording our first script in Office Scripts in Excel Online. So here in Excel we have an Automate ribbon. So this is Excel Online and there's an Automate tab. Now if that tab's not there, it's because your tenancy hasn't got it turned on. Look below, there will be a link to how to turn it on in the notes. So on the Automate ribbon, the first thing we've got some buttons, record actions, the code editor, and a drop down in order to find our scripts. So we're going to go with a really simple script. So let's go to record actions. Over on the right hand side, we get a pane that's going to list our recorded actions. And so I'm going to click into B2. Notice that doesn't give an action. And I'm going to type into that cell, hello world. And press return, and that puts an action into the recorded actions of edit B2. So if I go back on to B2 and on the home ribbon we're going to change the font colour to be red, and I'm going to change the font size to be 18. So we've got 3 actions recorded, and I'm going to click stop. I'm going to give my script a name, and there we are, there's hello world from when I recorded this before, and I'm going to click save, and there we are, the pane changes to be the details of our script. Now if I go and add a new tab and I click run, there we are, on that blank sheet it puts in the word hello world, colours it red and makes it bigger. Let's go and click on the edit. So here's our code. Now it's all inside a function called main, and then it does a number of things. The first thing it does is create a variable called selected sheet, and then the next 3 lines down so are putting the value in, changing it to be red and changing it to be bigger. The lines that are green and start with 2 forward slashes are comments, and it writes comments as part of the recording, which is pretty cool. This code sits in a file on your OneDrive, so it is owned by you. So any workbook you have open, you can run this script in, okay, in Excel Online. So that was my really quick introduction to how to record a script in Excel Online. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.